Hi, my name's John, and today I'm in the EXPED USA repair shop, where I'm going to be showing you how to find and repair a puncture in your leaking backpacking mat. The hardest part about this whole process is going to be finding the puncture in your mat. One advantage we have here at the EXPED USA repair shop is the dunk tank, but assuming you don't have one of these at home, you can try a couple of the classic methods like using a soapy rag to look for bubbles, or using a pool or bathtub. Once you've located the puncture, you can tell by the stream of bubbles coming out over here, it's important to mark the area so you can find it again once the mat is done drying. Today I'm just going to use a grease pen, but you can use any permanent marker as well, like a Sharpie. There we go. Once your mat has been thoroughly dried and you've opened both valves so that there's no air pressure in your mat, all you need to repair the puncture is repair glue. Contrary to what you might assume from the phrase patching, it's the glue itself that actually seals a puncture in your mat, whereas the patch is more of an abrasion-resistant and aesthetically pleasing material to go on afterwards. To repair the puncture, we're going to apply a thin layer of glue, about 1 inch to 1 centimeter in diameter, and then wait 5 to 10 minutes for the glue to become tacky before adding the next layer. Now, our repair instructions for best practices recommend adding 3 layers, but this isn't going to be strictly speaking necessary for every single mat. That's best practice on mega mats, especially on that top surface fabric, because it's extra absorbent and will need more glue. But for this situation, I'm going to wait until this glue is tacky so it's no longer sticky to the touch. Then we're going to apply our next layer. After that, we can optionally add a 3rd layer and patch, but it's not super necessary to making it functional again. You just need to wait for the glue to no longer be sticky, and then it's ready to use. Now that the glue is completely dried, your mat is puncture-free and ready to go again. At this stage, you can optionally add a patch by just covering the side of the fabric in a little bit of glue and adding it over the dried glue, or you can just use it as is. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website. Thanks for watching.